Hey guys, welcome back. Part 4 of the treehouse build. We're gonna start finishing up the bottom wall here. We're gonna work on the sides, start on the windows, and let's see how far we can get and finish this hopefully. During my little break between part 3 and 4, I picked up my new Gorilla ladder. This thing is amazing. I did a whole review on this, so check out the link below if you're interested. Home Depot had them on sale right now for like 99 bucks. This is the 18 footer, so that reaches like halfway up to this treehouse once I open up fully. So that's an awesome pickup. And then the bench as well was like 35 bucks, which is a steal. So let's get started. I'll show you guys the progress. This corner over here, I'm doing angle boards. 45-degree angle. It's going against here, and then just measuring out over here and cutting it to shape. We go up halfway and then do a window up there. Here's what it looks like. For now, I left a little opening here. I might do like a little window or something. Now, started working on the balcony from this side. So now we just gotta cover that up. And that side will be done. View from inside. Well, I'm gonna probably put a window right there. Next, this corner right here, and this opening, and then the door. Here's where we're looking now over a new balcony. Like 3/8 spaces between each one, just to give it a cool look. Now the other side. Balcony looks from the inside. So guys, winter came too fast, got cold too early, so I'm not gonna be finishing it up as planned right now. I'm gonna wait till it warms up a little. As you see, we got the squirrels love hanging out here now. So that basically became my new squirrel house. But yeah, we still gotta put a window right here in the front. At least one. This opening will probably leave. And then we gotta close this up and then work on the inside. So we'll get that done in the coming months, I hope, and I'll post the update as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, follow, comments, ideas, comment below, and talk to you soon.